What was the beginning of what you said? What's up guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be a spring summer lookbook for 2020. A lot of people do these videos around this time of year and they always have one thing in common. They're always wearing the hoodies, the sweaters, the jackets, blazers, pants, all these things that you actually can't wear in the spring or summer depending on where you live. I live in Georgia where it's 40 degrees in the morning and 95 the rest of the day, so I can't do that. So I wanted to put together a few outfits for people in the same predicament as I am. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this video.
Too handsome for your eyes, too handsome for my friends, too handsome for this biz, just way too handsome hard, too handsome for your vibes, too handsome for the night.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Comment down below the one that you like the most. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.